Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering essentials: your phone model, Android version, and the problematic app. Once done, go straight to settings and disable battery optimization for that app. This prevents the system from killing it. Make sure background activity and auto start permissions are enabled, because without those, the app cannot stay active. Clear the app cache if you see corruption, and restart the app to verify whether it still restarts automatically. These steps address the most common causes immediately. Once initial fixes don't hold, use Safe Mode to determine if another app triggers restarts. Safe Mode disables third-party apps, so you can isolate the cause. Then inspect any manufacturer power manager or auto start lists and explicitly whitelist your app, because OEM often kill background processes. If the issue began after an update, reinstall the app or roll back to a previous build to test stability. Finally, update Android system components. Outdated frameworks can cause app crashes, and to finish, back up your app data and settings. If all else fails, a factory reset can clear deep system corruption, but use it only after backups and after testing on another device if possible. Contact the app developer with detailed logs, Android build, and reproduction steps so they can patch the bug. If you run into problems, capture a logcat or use a crash reporting tool to record the exact moment the restart happens. This single log is often the key to resolving persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.